Well, thank you very much. Karibu sana kwa another hot news story. President Uhuru Kenyatta has reshuffled the cabinet days after talking tough on mega corruption in his government. In the changes announced on this Friday morning, Sports Cabinet Secretary Rashid Achesa was fired and replaced by his education counterpart Amina Mohamed. Kenya National Examinations Council NEC Chairman George Magoha landed a promotion. He will take over from CS Amina Mohamed and run the education docket if cleared by the parliament. Also showing the door was Broadcasting and Telecommunication Principal Secretary Fatuma Hersi. In accordance with the Article 155 of the Constitution, the appointment of Mrs. Fatuma Hersi as a Principal Secretary has been vacated, Mr. President Kenyatta said in a statement to the newsrooms that was given out today, this morning, Friday. When Rashid Achesa was appointed Cabinet Secretary for Sports and Heritage by President Uhuru Kenyatta on January 26 last year, it was up to him to prove his critics wrong. Achesa, an ex-boxer who was worth shilling 40 million in both fixed and movable assets at the time of his appointment, had won severe criticism when he passed the much criticized vetting hurdle to clinch the docket. Achesa's education background had put him at a great disadvantage, with critics adamant he had dropped out in class 7 while his involvement in politics while serving as the ODM leader in Kakamega. Because of that, Achesa's ability to serve as cabinet secretary was questioned widely. Although he went on to secure the job that comes with a monthly salary of shilling 924,000 over a year on in office, nobody was quite sure how he rates his own performance. The general consensus among sports stakeholders, however, is that Achesa's tenure has been far from impressive. The chief among his failures was the inability to implement the sports fund, which was part of the Sports Act 2013 that was enacted into law during the tenure of his predecessor Hassan Wario. While Hassan Wario saw the implementation of a number of components within the Sports Act 2013, for example, the Sports Disputes Tribunal and the Anti-Doping Agency of Kenya, Achesa has failed to take the story forward by operationalizing the sports fund. National teams and athletes have suffered from lack of financial support while preparing for major competitions due to this. Another thing that has blighted Achesa's tenure is the empty promises he has been making with regards to completion of construction works in various stadiums in the country. Alongside Sports Permanent Secretary Kirimi Kaberia, Achesa made unending promises while issuing deadlines by which the various stadia will be completed, none of which has come to pass. Achesa last year told Kenyans that the 30,000-seater Nyayo National Stadium, which has been closed for 3 years now, will be complete by January this year. The venue, however, remains incomplete. His love for political events at the expense of attending events involving sports, heritage and culture have seen him pass across as a man who who is not interested in solving issues in his ministry. Achesa was absent at Eldoret Sports Club last weekend as the country was selecting the team to the World Cross Country Championships set for March 30th in Aarhus, Denmark. Not even his PS was present at the competition that was graced by Deputy President William Ruto. At one time, a visibly angry President Uhuru Kenyatta openly criticized Achesa in the presence of Orange Democratic Movement leader Raila Odinga. This was during the president's tour of the Nyanza region alongside Odinga, where Kenyatta was irked by the poor state of the mausoleum of the late Jaramogi Oginga Odinga. Also, President Uhuru Kenyatta's firing of sports CS people have taken to the social media, said Rashid Echesa is cosmetic surgery on the nose of a bedridden heart patient. What he needs to perform is an open heart surgery to deal with the blocked pulmonary artery and vein. Finance, energy, agriculture, water and mining. That's a tweet by lawyer Nelson Harvey. Another tweet reads like this: sacked this week, Claudio Ranieri, Rashid Echesa. Sports journalist Eric Njiru tweeted that on Twitter. Congratulations to my friend Professor George Albert Omore Magoha for your well-deserved appointment. Best wishes to my sister Ambassador Mohammed in a news station. To my friend Rashid Echesa, Godspeed. Elgeyo Marakwet Senator Kipchumba Murkomen on Twitter. Kenyans on Twitter, imagine with all this corruption and Uhuru Kenyatta simply fires Echesa, moves Amina, upgrades Magoha. What kind of insult is that? We need to talk more about this until he acts. It's not fair to the future of this country. Soccer analyst on Twitter. Amina Mohammed has been named the new sports secretary, replacing Rashid Echesa, who replaced Hassan Wario. Dear President Uhuru Kenyatta, just spitballing here, but maybe you could try and appoint a sports CS who actually has a background in sports and see how that works. Cabinet reshuffle hashtag. Sports journalist Mukami Wambora tweeted that on Twitter today. What's your take on that issue? Leave your comment down below. Hashtag Cabinet reshuffle.